Hello everyone, my name is Hanis Patel and in this presentation I'm going to discuss about my recommendation and concerning of updating and securing the Australian branch network of ABC Global. If it is an extension of already established network design in assessment 2, however, with the critical issue on routing and performance, redundancy, wireless security and monitoring. I will take you through the three key upgrades. Upgrade area routing switching with the redundancy, wireless design, and security networking monitoring with a secure branch-to-branch communication. So, task one is routing and switching upgrade with the redundancies. Today the Sydney and the Melbourne offices of ABC Private Limited interconnected with the RIP version 2 between the two sites with the sum of the ether channel redundancy between the switches in the Melbourne, although it is initially effective, as also two key weakness in this. So two key weakness are the scalability and the routing and performance, and another is insufficient end-to-end devices. So RIP can also support 15 hops and a periodic updates every 30 seconds, irrespective of whether there is a change change or not. In additionally to taking 30 to 90 seconds to coverage in case of failure. This slow down a time in a sensitive service such as a video conference and VoIP. Poor like insufficient end-to-end redundancies, failure of a router or ISP link at one of the sites with isolate whole system. I will change to RIP with the OSPF, which is an open standard which is an open standard links data protocol that library coverage a lot quicker based on a event driven update, enterprise scalable, share the cost based the path topologically, and support safe neighbor and authenticity either MD5 or SHA. OSSP have a OSSP prefer IGRPF because OSF is a vendor neutral, which allow ABC Private Limited to freedom to adopt a non-Cisco equipment in future. Switching the sites, I would suggest that rapid PVST to face quicker spanning tree and a convex and a port fast BDPU card to make them more resilient and a guard against rogue devices. I'm going. I'm going to su- I'm going to suggest I'm going to suggest like HSRP and VRRP, each branch of two ISP connection with the OSP cost tuning to accomplish load sharing or failure. So the next task is the wireless networking design and security. So currently it's a lack discipline wireless network in the branches. It is a mobility lapse as a flexibility and flexible working pattern, but it is a too good to go wrong as a potential security threat. In my secure wireless lane, there will be a lane there consistently per policy information using a centralized architecture based controller having a corporate and a guest VLANs, WPA3 enterprise using a 80 8 802.1x potentially through a radius servers. Data is in transit is AEC 256 encrypted. Use of a role-based access control and ACLs to deny access of VLANs of a guest to corporate resources. Um, Such a design helps to deal with the typical threats ice drop, such as ice dropping, routing, and access point, uh, evil twin attacks, and a weak authenticity. The pluses are strong security and sample management, ability to conform to some standards such as ISO 27001, and the ability to expand with the ABC Private Limited. So all this good to happen. And task three is like network monitoring. The last area upgrade is to context and visibility of a network. The fault may appear before resulting in downtime unless proper monitoring is done. I urge to adapt in real time as SNMP device health and traffic statistics. Uh, it's a centralized logging and auditing system, quick troubleshooting and diagnosed commands such as ping, trace route, and so command. Inter-branch secure communication can simulate in packet tracer, although not with the full IPAC and VPN, at least not. ZRE tunnel are needed to logically send traffic across a route path. ACL to limit a tunnel traffic to the sub to selected subnet. This enabled of the testing security and routing idea so that the business benefit for the some of them advantages for the business. Discovery of problem early, less mean time to repair, improve security of data, compromises of support and testing. So in conclusion, such a upgrade which include OSPF routing, improving the switching functionality, HSRP, redundancy, secure wireless LAN design, proactive monitoring will Proactive money will see ABC Private Limited Australian brand network transformed to work as a faster, more secure, highly available one. This will place the company in a position to satisfy existing operation requirements, sustain a present growth, and a sufficient service availability over the years, among the others.